Hello, I welcome you back, and this is so amazing that we have reached this last video, and I am meeting you in this last video of this particular course on NLP Fundamentals. This is so amazing. You are an amazing person indeed. So now, by now you know that how from the external world your internal world gets created, how your internal worlds take you into some resourceful or unresourceful state, how you can actually take control of your state with the help of your physiology. And in this final video, we will be learning, we will be understanding that how you can stay in resourceful state of mind most of the time, right? How this is practically possible, what actually you need to do with yourself so that most of the time you stay in resourceful state of mind, how you can become the master of your life. So for this understanding, let me take you to NLP communication model. Here we learn a lot many things, and from this model you will be learning what actually can make you the master of your life, right? So you already know that whenever some event is taking place in your life, with the five senses you receive that information, and then this information gets deleted, distorted and generalized. So this is reality. Event 1 is reality, it is happening in the external world, and event 2 is your personal perception. That means it is your perception of reality, what you feel is going on in your life. Now, this is a surprising fact that what you see, people don't see. What you listen, people don't listen. What you feel, people don't feel. Because everyone's filters work in different way, because every person's mindset is different. Every person has different mindset, and that's why their perception of reality is different from your perception of reality. And how we will function in this world? We will function in this world with the help of our own map, personal map, and that map is our perception of reality. So you will function in your life as per your perception of reality. Someone else will function in his or her life as per their perception of reality, right? So now, whatever perception you create, either it takes you into some unresourceful state or it takes you into some resourceful state of mind. I think by now you have deeply understood this particular fact, this particular concept, right? So whatever your perception is determines that whether you will go into some unresourceful state of mind or resourceful state of mind. Now, if you go in some unresourceful state of mind, you will execute irrelevant behaviors and thus produce undesired result. On the contrary, if you go into resourceful state of mind, you will execute relevant behaviors, and then there is a very high probability that you will be getting desired results. And now everybody in this entire world wants to change one thing, and that is the state of mind. Everyone wants to change one thing, and that is a state. So how exactly you can change your state of mind? You know that there are two things which contribute to create your state of mind. One is what is going on in your mind, and the second is what is going on in your body. So the sum total of what is going on in your mind and what is going on in your body, they create your state. And now you know that if you want to quickly change your state, you need to change your physiology. But let me ask you a question. Suppose there is some crisis going on in your life. There is some challenge going on in your life right now at the present moment. So will you be able to change your state by just changing your physiology? Suppose I'm talking to you right now, right? I'm creating this video and I get a phone call and someone tells me that there is fire in your home. At your house there is an outburst of fire. So will it be possible that I just straighten my backbone, widen my shoulder, keep a smile on my face, and I get into resourceful state of mind? No, this will not be practically possible, because at this moment my mind will say that there is some action that you need to take. There is something that you need to do. You don't just need to change your state, but actually you need to take some action. You need to take some decision, right? So, but whether my decision will be a relevant decision or irrelevant decision, that will depend on that how exactly I am perceiving that situation. If I go into unresourceful state of mind, maybe fear, or maybe the feeling of extreme loss is there or disaster is there, so what will happen? Maybe I will take poor decisions in my life. But if I am in control, if I stay stable, if I explore more options, or if I dig deep inside the issue that, okay, what kind of fire is there? What exactly is the situation? How far is the fire station? Is there someone inside the home? So if I explore all these things, I will get to a relevant decision because now I am staying in resourceful state of mind. And whether I will go into some unresourceful state of mind or resourceful state of mind, it will depend on this mindset, that what kind of beliefs do I have, what are my values, what are my past experiences, right? What memories do I have, what kind of focus I have, what kind of decisions I have taken in my life, what kind of information do I have, how is my physiological state, that means what is the state of my body, and what are my meta programs, right? So all these things will automatically help me to go into either resourceful state or unresourceful state of mind. And there is one saying that don't dig a well when you are thirsty, because you will die sooner. You need to dig the well when you are not thirsty, when you are having sufficient supply of water. At that time, if you dig a well, you will be having your backup ready in some time. That means when things are okay, if at that time you create some backup or you work on yourself, you make yourself better, then that particular learning of yours is going to support you in the times to come, in the challenging times especially, right? So we need to work on each and everything. You need to work on your beliefs, upgrading your beliefs. What kind of belief set should you carry so that you function in this world in a better way? What kind of values should you have? What are your values? How to set values? How to set the hierarchy of values? How to work with your past experiences? That means how you can change your memories. Suppose something bad happened to you long back and still you carry that memory. Still you find that memory as if it is unfolding in front of your eyes right now. Or someone said something to you, something which was very pinching or hurting, maybe 5 years or 10 years back, and still you feel that pinched, you feel that hurt. That means you are reliving the same experience. And most people don't know that actually these experiences lie at one place, and that is inside your brain. And you can change those things with the help of NLP. Because these things exist in the form of PIRs, personal internal representations. And with the tools and techniques of NLP, you can actually change these PIRs. You can actually change these personal internal representations. How you can do that? For that you will need to learn this science in detail. But let me tell you that you will be actually able to quickly change the things, right? And this is practically possible. So you need to work with your past experiences also. There are many memories in our life. Most people have few good memories and a lot of bad memories, or maybe the bad memories are lesser in number, but they actually keep on reliving that past, and that's why they go into depression. That's why they lose their confidence. That's why they get into bad relations. They keep attracting the same kind of negative person in their life, because all that negative baggage is there and they do not know that they can actually clean that baggage. Now focus. You need to understand that how exactly you focus on what exactly you focus. That means what is the science behind focus, and how exactly you can focus on the results, or where exactly you need to focus so that you change the results in your life. Decisions, how to take better decisions in life, because your decisions are based on the wisdom of your life. So in this particular course where I am recommending you that you need to come, you need to join the detailed online NLP course, there you will be learning the concepts that will make you a wiser person. You will become a wise person, right? Now, information. You need to gather relevant information. Most people head are now filled with garbage. That means meaningless information, right? But you need to choose. You need to fill your mind with relevant information, and the information that you get when you learn this science NLP, that is tremendous. That is awesome, and that is going to help you change a lot many things in your life. Physiological state, you will learn a lot many things about physiology also, that how exactly your physiology plays a vital role in your thinking, in your thought process, in creating your results. Meta programs is something which can be understood as hidden programs. These programs are hidden programs. Meta means hidden. So hidden programs are those that run in your unconscious, and they determine that how you will analyze the events in your life, or how exactly you will be responding in the events of your life, what will become important to you, what will become unimportant to you. So there will be lot many things that you will be learning. So to stay in resourceful state, or to create relevant perceptions, the right kind of perceptions in your life, perception of reality. So to have better perception of reality, you need to work on all these things. And to explain all these concepts and a lot many tools and techniques in this video course which you have got, it is out of the scope of this a small video course, NLP Foundation. But once you start learning the concepts in detail, once you enroll yourself in the detailed program, you will learn everything in detail. You will learn topic by topic. Whatever I am talking to you, you will learn much beyond all these things, right? So all these things, once you start working on all these things, you are actually working on the roots. Suppose there is a tree, suppose apple tree, and the fruits are not coming of good quality, or they are tasteless, or there is not that much sweetness, and you just spray some chemical on the fruit to make it shiny. Will the next fruit that will come out of that tree, will that fruit be delicious? Will that fruit be sweet or tasty? Obviously the answer is no. So what you need to change to have better fruits? The answer is you will need to work at the roots. That means the root cause, that why the fruit was not of that quality, you need to work on that. You need to maybe provide the plant or that tree with better fertilizers, better air supply, water supply, sunlight. You need some insecticides or pesticides, something you need to do with the tree. That means the root cause of the issue, so that the fruits can get better. In the same way, to have better fruits in your life, you need to work on the root cause that you have in your life, the root cause of the challenges that are there in your life, right? So once you start working on all these things, once you gather the tools and techniques, you will create better perception of reality. You will be creating better perception of the external world, and you will function in this external world based on your map of reality. That means your perception of reality. And now, once you start to work on these personal internal representations, that means better perceptions are getting created, automatically you will stay mostly in resourceful state of mind, which will lead to relevant behavior, which will thus lead to relevant results in your life. So results in your life will start to change. One more thing that you will learn through this particular program, this course, that is how to work with your existing PIR. Suppose you have some fear, some phobia, anxiety, depression, sadness, lack of confidence, or whatever challenges you have, or maybe there is someone from which you are afraid of. That means you are afraid of some person or some situation, or you are afraid to face some event in your life. Whatever all those things are, they are just due to the personal internal representations that you have inside your mind. So once you learn that how to change these personal internal representations, a lot many things are going to change in your life. You will be able to bring yourself out of lot many challenges and problems in your life, and you will feel lighter. You will feel that you are becoming the better version of yourself. The second half of NLP, that means NLP gives you something beyond just overcoming challenges, and that is NLP helps you to achieve your goals. So you will learn that how your goals can become so important to you that unconsciously you work in the direction of your goals, of your outcomes, how to structure your outcome, how to create strategies, how to solve relationship issues, how to have better action plan, how to have self realization, that means how to realize your true potential, actual potential, how to channelize your energy, how to align your different neurological levels, how to understand what exactly is your purpose in life. All these things are the empowering tools and techniques of NLP. So you are going to learn all that also. So you know that if you actually want to stay in resourceful state of mind, if you want to overcome your challenges, if you want to achieve your goals, you need to work on this supercomputer. In fact, your mind is so powerful that no supercomputer can match your mind. So you can work on upgrading this software, the software that runs your brain. And for that, you need to enroll yourself in the NLP program, right? So up to this point of journey, it was my responsibility to help you understand all these concepts in detail, to create some difference in your life, to create some changes that you can actually experience instantly. But from this particular point of time, it is your responsibility that you decide to enroll yourself in this program, to take this relationship of ours forward, so that I can help you understand all the details of this science of mind. I can empower you with the tools and techniques so that you can not only just help yourself but help others also. Even you can become trainer, counselor, coach with the help of this science, right? So I really wish to see you inside the main program, inside the program where I will be sharing all the concepts in detail, right? It was an amazing journey to be with you in this particular course on NLP Foundations. My best wishes are with you, and I actually want to see you in the journey forward with me. So just enroll yourself and we will meet there, right? Live the life that you deserve, and I will see you inside the course.